Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this Chevy Silverado key fob here. It works for these models 2025 and you don't need any fancy tools. You just need only one battery like this 2450 and you can find this battery everywhere, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. On this side right here, you see this small button. Now press this button here and pull this mechanical key out. Now when you remove the mechanical key, this key, take it, and when you hold the fob like this with the buttons facing down, alright, from this side we need to remove this back piece, and the easiest way to remove it is take this mechanical key and with the tip here insert it right in this hole here, in this hole, and twist it a little bit, push up, and yeah, the whole idea here is just to separate this fob into two pieces. So when you remove this back piece, right after that, here is the piece, right after that here you see all that battery. Now to remove the battery, take again the mechanical key or the small flat screwdriver and insert it here or here and just push the battery outside. Now when you remove the battery, here in the same place just insert your new battery. And also it's very important here, make sure this side here is the positive side facing up. So this type here is very important. Alright, now when you insert the battery here, take this back piece again, this piece here, take it, make sure here to insert it correctly, all corners here to match perfectly, and just snap them together. Now when you snap them together just like this, take this mechanical key again and also make sure you insert it back in the fob just like in the beginning, and right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.